Hello everyone, very good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Very good afternoon. Audio, video, everything clear? Hello. I hope audio, video, everything clear. Very good afternoon. Yes. So yes, this is the master course for all of you, because definitely this is the master course, definitely going to be this is master course, because here our success is telling that yes, it is master course. You can see that yes, in computer science unified study last year there was more than 150 success story, from where more than 225 students are there, those who get more than 200 score. Our highest score was 230, 222, 220. After that 218. Everything you can see here in front of you. So from this you can say that this confidence, yes, they give me the confidence. Our previous batch give me that confidence. Yes, we can do it. You can get the confidence from them. Yes, if they are able to do it, then you can also do it. Not only paid learners, there are so many free learners also. They are only toppers. So it is not only about paid learners, there are so many free learners, those who are able to crack the exam from Unified Study YouTube channel. Previously, I have taken one course that was 45 days free course, 45 days crash course, where 97 videos are there. Definitely you can watch those classes whenever you are getting conceptual problem. Here in this course, I am going to focus on those topics what are little bit different topic and current trend type of topic, because 2024 there are two sets of paper. One is August exam they took, that was ReNET, and June exam, whatever cancel exam. Most of the area where whatever question you will be not able to find out, answer, explanation you will be not able to find out. I am going to provide you those questions. We will practice those questions, and not only UGC NET, I will focus on 2024 different set papers also. 2023 and 2024 there was different set exam. What are good quality set exam? And those question paper will help you to understand that yes, current trend, current pattern, because every time pattern is changing. I have uploaded previously one video yesterday, that analysis of 2024 August exam. From that analysis you will understand how the questions are coming. And another thing, here in this unified study channel, as we know, we are dealing with those students, those who don't have time, those who don't have that much money, those who don't have that much support, those who are always struggling. We are dealing with those, because most of the candidates are here, those who are housewife or those who are going to college, they don't have that much time to study. Those family situation is very bad, they are coming from very native places, villages, they are not able to spend that much money, and that's why unified study is here to help you. Definitely stay tuned, you can get it, believe yourself. Already you saw your success stories, so many free learners was there, those who get more than 200 also. So you can also get it. Today I will focus on unit wise will be better. So first of all I will focus on networking, where most of the channel you will not get this networking questions. They are not focusing on networking question. That's why I will prefer to start networking only. Okay. Those who are the paid learners, you can no problem, you can go and you can practice your mock test, or you can do your self study. It is not for the paid learners, it is for the free learners. So paid learners, you can move on, no problem, okay, paid learners. And if you don't want to waste time, then no problem, you can go ahead. Okay, okay. Chalo. So here networking PYQs, first of all I will focus, and here this is August 2024 question, easy question. This is a easy question, but time to time I will ask you some different question also. So first you need some energy, right? So you will get the energy to do this easy question. After that I am coming to the difficult part. So just it is brush up, do the brush up. It is easy. Transportation layer, physical layer, network layer, data link layer, always expected area from OSI model. The always questions are coming from this area. Don't worry. Yeah, answer is coming. Very easy question. This is option 2 is the correct answer. No need to say. These layers are very important. Must cover the application different functionalities of each and every layer. Now see that it is a very conceptual question. They provide it from the IPv4 addressing. Here this is called MCMSQ type of question. Multiple select question, where you have to select the correct answer from your concept. You have to do all the class full, classless addressing from there, from the concept you have to do the answer. Right. This is question number 2. Question number 2. Yeah, answers are coming. Here question number 2, you can see the answer. This is A, B, D, E is the correct answer. Why C is not the correct answer? Who can tell me why not C? Because they are in IPv4 block, we are giving like this. One example, if I am taking 192.168.32.16, this type of IP address we are able to understand, right? Here range is 0 to 255. This is the range, and the first byte is telling you it is in which class. Here it is given that class C is the multicast communication. Is it class C multicast communication? Class A, class B, class C, class D, class E. There are 4 types of classes. Now after that, after this question, we will do the revision of that area. Here this is not multicast. Then what is? You can tell me in the comment section. If C is not multi-class, then class C is what? Recall it, then I will help you to do that. Here though 5 IP addresses are there. So you can see from here again they asked this same area where you have to identify the classes, class A, class B, class C and class E. After that we will do the revision. Which one is the correct answer? A, B, C, E. Quickly do that. Easy. This is also easy. Yes, definitely this is the answer. Here you have to go for the range 0 to 127 is class A. Here you can see this is class A. 128 to which range? You can tell me which is class B. 128 to the next range. This is class B, right? So that's why here you are getting class B. Now you can see that here we are doing some we will do little bit revision on this IP addressing topic. Acha, before that do the question. After that I am coming to do the revision, so that ultimately all the practice will be done. First do this. You can see in front of you the IP addressing is how much important topic, and then we will come to the revision. Here class B network subnet mask. This is the subnet mask. What is the maximum number of hosts per subnet? This is also IP addressing and subnetting. Very important area. Those who are new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe to the channel and stay connected with Unified Study to get this type of classes. You will get it here only. Yes. Answer is 2046. Why answer is 2046? Why this is the answer? Here internet submask is this. This is given. What is the maximum number of hosts possible? From the subnet mask, always remember there are net ID plus subnet ID. Whenever you are taking together, all these bit will be 1 and the host bit will be 0. That is your subnet mask. Now 255 means all 8 bit 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 255. Again all 8 bit 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is again 255. 248 means what? 248 means 255 minus 5. That is 255. Means it is, how to do that? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here you have to do 255 minus 5 or 7. Minus 7. This is minus 7. Then you are getting 248. So that's why these all bits are 0. Means 248 means here you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 0. Then after that all 0. These all 8 bit are 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means this is your host. This is your host bit and this is your net plus subnet bit. Okay. Now it is asking you what is the maximum number of hosts per subnet is possible. Here how many bits are there? 8 plus 3, total 11 bits are there. Total 11 host bits are there, total 11. That's why how many subnet you can create? 2 to the power. How many host per subnet you can create? 2 to the power 11. 2 to the power 11 means 2048. This is total number of addresses per subnet. But here they ask what is the number of host. Always number of host will be total minus 2. Why? Because the first address always reserved for net ID and last address always reserved for broadcast ID. That's why you have to do always minus 2 here. Then you are getting 2046. That's why your answer is here 2046. The subnetting topic, there is a class in 45 days crash course. Very important class. Must learn in detail how to do subnetting, what is the subnet mask, how to get the host ID, host and bit, how to get net ID, how to get how many host, how many, all these questions we did, all this topic I explained properly. Must watch that to clear your concept. This is very important concept. Okay. Now again you can see another subnetting. How much important this subnetting topic, just see that. Here again they ask another question from subnetting. You have to do this. Maybe it is hiding behind me. So I am hiding myself so that you can read the question properly. Very conceptual question. Two computers A and B are configured Their IP address is given. What statement is true here? From this question, how to solve the question? Here you can see that assume. Everyone is telling here assume. What is the meaning of assumption? Why they are telling it's assume? Actually, when we are doing the how to get the net ID, from whenever the mask is given and IP address is given, you can get the net ID, IP address. With that, if you are doing AND operation of mask, then you are getting net ID. Now here you can see that this is the IP address where the mask is difference. Here this is the IP address where the mask is difference. Now if you are doing IP address with the own mask, with own marks, then you are getting correct net ID. But if you are doing the IP address A, but if you are doing AND operation with mask of B, then means what? B is trying to assume that A is my same network. If B is doing AND operation with mask of A, then it is actually not correct. A is trying to assume that B in my same network also. That is the problem. Okay, so that's why here whenever we are doing this AND operation, you can see that we are doing, this is bitwise AND operation. I am telling you one trick also how to do the bitwise AND operation. 203.197.2.53 and here it is 255.255.1.128, sorry, is 128.0. 255.128.0. Actually, whenever you are doing AND operation with 255, you will get the same thing, because X AND operation with anything, whatever, if you are doing AND operation with 1, then always you are getting X. That's why 255 means all 1. With the 255, if you are doing AND operation with any number, you will get that number only. That's why no need to do anything. You can place that number. Here also 197. And if you are doing X AND operation with 0, then you will get 0. That's why this is also 0. Only you have to convert this part in binary. Then you have to do the AND operation. So this part in binary, whenever you are doing 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 1, here you can see this is 128 and 2. So 2 means 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 128 means 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You will get, do the AND operation, you will get here 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, all are coming here also 0. That's why means after AND operation you are getting this number. Same way you will do it here also. See that here actually I am doing correct. This is the IP address of A and here I am doing subnet mask of A. So it is the correct net ID of A. But here this is the IP address of B. Okay, this is the IP address of net ID of B, but it is doing subnet mask with this one A. You can see here. Here actually the IP address, A IP address is this one and subnet mask was this one. That we did, right? Now B IP address is this one. That is 201. This is the IP address of B. I am doing with the subnet mask of A. This is the subnet mask of A. Now I am getting same net ID, means A is trying to assume that B in my same network. But when B is doing, then it is getting different. B is doing the AND operation with this one. So it is the IP address of B and it is the mask of B. So I am getting this. but this is IP address of A and mask of B, then I am getting a different answer. That's why A is assuming here that B in same network, but B assume that A on different network. This is happening here. Got it? Very much conceptual question, and that's why you should learn these all topics. And here just for this IP address thing, I can tell you one thing, that just I am showing you. IP addressing revision. Here you can see for IP addressing, whenever you are coming to the IP addressing, the first thing is that the IPv header. This is the most important area. Just now you will get the question from IPv header. The IPv header format, in which row which one is coming, and version number, header length, how many bits are there. This is most important. Already 10 marks question came from here. And other than that, here just now from which area you got the question, that is class. So here I am showing you the class. This was the question, but I already explained. This question is already there in 45 days crash course. Same question I am not repeating. IPv header format, from there previous years one question was there, and that question I already explained. You can watch it. And here in the subnetting, you can see classless and classful addressing, how we are doing this addressing. And class, 5 classes are there, A, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 classes. And what are the, how many bits are allocated for host bit and how many bits are allocated for net bit, that you have to remember. Class A is 8 bit, class 8 bit net ID, 24 bit host ID. Class B 16 bit net ID, 16 bit host ID. Class C 24 bit net ID and 8 bit host ID. Class C, the question was given in class C, it was multicast address, that was wrong. Class D is multicast address and class E is reserved. That's why in that question it was wrong, right? And this is the range what you have to remember. From the first byte you have to find out that 0 to 127, that is class A, 128 to 191 class B, 192 to 223 class C, right? And here you have to remember this also, that is very very important. The chart, I am showing you another chart from the class. This chart is a most important chart, this one, where you have to remember that what are the leading bit, how many bits are there for net ID, how many bits are there for host ID, each and everything, how many network are possible in class, how many addresses are possible in that class. This is most important area from the subnetting, what you have to remember. Is that clear? Yes. This is a most important topic of networking. Now I am going to the next question. Let's see. This is your next question. You can see that the question is from the TCP IPv4 network. Here IP datagram D, host B, it is given. Now assume that no error occurred. Now it is asking you that which of the following header field may differ from the original datagram in this situation. The situation based question. Situation is given to you where you are where the transmission is going on from D. When D reaches B, now what will be the possible situation? So those who are watching, if you don't want to like the class, then dislike the class and let me know in the comment section why you don't want to like, why you dislike it, what you want from me. Let me know. Yes, here answers are coming. Here option 2 is the correct answer, definitely, because see that whenever I am sending it, right? So time, that's why the header format is very, very important. Just now I told you, header format is very, very, very important. So IP packet transmission is going on. The value of time to leave will change every time. It is like that I am giving you 10-second time. Every time you are moving one hop to another hop means it will be countdown like 9, 8, 7, like that it will be decremented. So that's why time to leave will change. Whenever time to leave will change, then checksum will also change. That's why checksum will also change. Fragment offset. Fragment offset, here a packet will be fragmented if packet size is greater than maximum unit. Means what? If your MTU is given like maybe 400 byte, okay, or maybe 400 KB, but I want to send 600 KB, then I have to divide it into two parts. One is 400, another is 200. So means the packet need to be fragmented. The fragmentation is required. That's why the fragmentation offset can also change here. That's why you can see TTL checksum fragmentation offset. Definitely source IP and destination IP never change, because who is the sender, that is not going to change, and who is the receiver, that is not going to change. That's why by elimination also you can do the answer from your basic concept, right? Now you can see this is the sequence question from the DNS query. Sequence from DNS. Here do the sequence, very important. How DNS means domain name server. Whenever you are writing unifystudy.com, then how it will hit the server, and after that how you are getting response. This is done by the DNS. So sequence question nowadays very popular question. They are asking always sequence question, very popular. You should prepare a sequence notebook. You should prepare a notebook where all sequence type of question you will write down, only sequence, no question answer. Just write the sequence. Each and every topic where sequence question you will get, write down the sequence. Option 4 is the correct answer here, because first of all what is going on here? This is your source network, this is your local server. You will hit the local server, after that you will hit the top level domain server. Then from the destination, from the local server, you are getting here the response, and it is the way this is going on. So that's why first of all I will hit in the query to local DNS server. Then local DNS server check the cache. Then after that it will come to the query root DNS server. Then it is query to TDL DNS server. Then ultimately it is authoritative DNS. Like this way it is going on. Must write down the sequence in your notebook at the time of practicing, so that before exam you can do revision. Okay. So it is the steps of DNS. You can see that steps. You can write down these steps also in your notebook. Don't think that I will take the screenshot, ma'am. That will be enough. Those who are busy in taking screenshot and collecting PDF, it will be in your phone only. It will not go to your memory. Okay. So don't trust and don't believe on screenshot and PDF. Write it down in your notebook. It will be there in your phone, and examiner will not allow you to take your phone. You will go to exam hall with your brain only. That's why you have to write in notebook, and then only it will be copied to your brain. Otherwise, you will be not able to copy to your brain. Remember that. Always busy in taking screenshot and taking PDF, downloading PDF. It is not going in your brain. Always remember that. Okay, so here this is the question, that is networking numerical question. Try to do that numerical. This is the numerical CSMA CD network where you have to do this. Quickly give me the answer. Answers are coming. Option 4 is the correct answer. Easy question here. What you have to do, just you need to see that what is going on here. The CSMA CD transmit the rate 100 Mbps. Here is the game. Okay, 100 Mbps. How to convert 100 Mbps? This is 100 multiply into 10 to the power 6. So 100 means what? It is actually 10 to the power 2. So means you can understand this is 10 to the power 2 multiply into 10 to the power 6 means it is 10 to the power 8. Means this is 10 to the power 8, right? That's why it is 100 Mbps. Now it is given here in 1250 byte. The byte I need to convert in bit. Mbps means this is megabit per second. Small b means that is bit. Capital B means that is byte. And 1 byte means 8 bit. So you have to convert in same unit. That's why you have to convert it into multiply into 8, then it is bit. So this is your total. It is asking you what is the signal speed for the cable. So total how much data I am sending? 1250 multiply into 8, that is the data. So I am doing 1250 multiply into 8 total data. Now here it is given that here it is your rate of data, that is 100 Mbps. Means it is 10 to the power 8. Divide by 10 to the power 8. Now this is given here key where you have to do either there was no repeater, and if the minimum number of frame required to the what is the signal speed. So signal speed is not given to me, right? As signal speed is not given to me, this is I can do like 2 by x. So what is the value of x? I need to calculate the value of x here. I don't know the speed, right? So whatever always your whatever I am sending, so speed will be always inversely proportional, right? That's why inversely proportional means I am doing here x. So x I will get here 2 multiply into 10 to the power 4. So answer is coming 20,000. Like this you are getting answer 20,000. Okay, got it? Yes. Now see here. Now you will ask me why 2? Why 2? 2 is because twice proportional delay, because always collision should not be there. We are trying to avoid collision. To avoid the collision, whenever you are sender to receiver, always you have to wait how long time? This is the time, TP time. Again it is coming back acknowledgement, that is TP, that is 2 TP time. Twice of propagation delay you have to wait. That's why this 2 is required because of this. Twice of propagation delay. That's why it will be 2 by x. Okay. That's why here is 2. Now see that here is another question. Token ring network transmission speed is given here. 1 bit delay. So and the propagation speed is also given here. Now tell me what is the answer. So your lunch is done or not? 1:30 is okay for everyone? This 1:30 timing is fine for everyone? Yes or no? Normally you are wasting this time, but now you will utilize this time. Here again answers is coming, right? Yes. So here the answer is this, that in the token ring network, the transmission delay equals to length by bandwidth. So here I got it, key 10 to the power 7 was given. So this is 0.1 microsecond. Propagation speed will be 200 meter divided by microsecond per microsecond. So 1 microsecond it cover 200 meter, means 0.1 microsecond it will cover 20 meter, because 1 microsecond 0.1 means it is 1 by 10. So you will do it 1 by 10. So you are getting here answer 20 meter, right? Yes. Yes. Good. Now it is a very good question, very conceptual question. Today's last question, this one, very much conceptual question. Read the question, then do the answer. Yes, for the college, to those who are working in college, office, everyone, this is the lunch time. Normally it is lunch time and it is a lazy time, right? So this lazy time we will utilize for our learning, so that we will not waste time. Rather than that, we will utilize the time. That's why I have decided this. I will try to start at 1 or 1:15. Will try, so that by 2 I can end the session. Yeah, those who are able to do the answer, they know, that's why they are able to do. Those who are not able to do, understand it. Here it is TCP header, TCP connection. It is the question from TCP connection. So here what is going on? What is synchronization? This is SYN is synchronize. SEQ, that is sequence number. ACK means acknowledgement, and FIN means finished. These are the flag. In the transmission control protocol, that is TCP, these are the flags we are using. Okay. So synchronization flags initiate the connection request. So that's why whenever you are connecting request connection you are sending, it will set. Sequence number, that counts the each byte transfer in the connection. Acknowledgement, here the flag indicate the sequence number of the next expected packet. Always remember, acknowledgement will be always n plus 1. Whatever you have received. Now I received already 6th packet. I am waiting for 7th one. So in acknowledgement I will send 7. That's why always it is n plus 1. Finish flag will be whenever it is end. Then only finish flag will set. Okay. So that's why in this question you can see here also that I am sending like SYN, that it is X. Now after that I am getting here acknowledgement. Now again I am sending here the next one. So in this question what is happening? It was given that TCP connection established between two hosts A and B. Let S and R be two random 32-bit starting sequence. S is one sequence, R is another. So it is the first one is S, next one is R. Like that you can think. Suppose A send the TCP segment having this synchronization bit equals to 1, sequence number is S, acknowledgement bit is 0. Now B accept the request. After that, what B will send? So B will wait for the next one. That's why it will send that sequence number S plus 1. That's why here it is S plus 1. The connection is not finished till now. That's why finished bit will be 0. And the sequence number now it will send R because already receive S. The next bit is R. That's why the sequence number is R. Acknowledgement bit will be 1 because it is sending the acknowledgement. That's why acknowledgement bit will be 1 here. This is very conceptual question. What is happening? Why these are not your answer? I hope you can understand. Acknowledgement number is R, not at all. S plus 1 it can be. Here it is not S. But here, what is the problem? Problem is here. That is this one given synchronized bit 0. It will be also 1. That's why this option is wrong. And all other option also you can eliminate. And this is your answer. Got it? Clear to everyone? Yes, these are all your UGC NET August question. August networking question I have covered today. All the August question with concept. You can understand 10 question was there from networking. I covered all the question. I hope you will like this session and let me know in the comment section. And tomorrow if you want to continue the June question, then we will continue the June question according to your requirement. We can go ahead. Okay, so please share with all of your friends, and if you want to join the paid course for practice, mock test, test series and live practice with your friends, then you can join the paid course. Here only $9.99 this plan is available for 1 month and 2 months because January is your exam. If you are going with 1 month plan, then here you will get the live class because I am taking 2 live class, 5 AM and 6:30 PM. 6:30 PM I am trying to focus on practice only, where time bound practice we are doing. And you will get here including test series is included here, unit wise test series, full length test series, paper 1, paper 2 test series, everything included here. PDF, all PDF you can download from the paid course. So this is about paid course. Other than that, free test series is also available here. You can come to free mock test section. You can get so many free test series. Install Unify Study app so that at least you can utilize the free test series. This is our app. You can utilize our free test series. Very important to practice through the free mock test. Full length PYQs mock test is also available. If you click on the full length, you will get here all free full length PYQs mock test. This is definitely will be helpful for you. Must attempt this. And paper 1, paper 2 combined mock test is also available here in this free mock test. You can see paper 1, paper 2 combined. More mock tests are coming soon. These are free of cost. So you can definitely install Unify Study app and enjoy the test series, free test series. Unify Study app. Okay, by tomorrow I will try to start little bit early by 1 or 1, 5, 10 so that by 2 PM I can end the session.